this game, this flame would still be burning. Who would have guessed that all these blenders would still be churning? Not even we on our bended knees could have ever blessed it. Not even I with my head in the sky would have ever guessed it. But here we are for a family reunion costume barbecue. All the black sheep family outcast and a freak or two. No, the hat tricks and the gold bricks still don't have us down. Still a party for the hardy when we come to town. You're still grinning and we're still winning, nothing left to save. Death defined as I go flying down this endless wave. And here we are, we're the offbeat Uncle Freds who spilled their wine on you, and the in-your-face Aunt Rachel's with that attitude. All the ones who use your bathroom, then eat all your food. We're the dreamy deadheads who just like us and denied you. Here we are. Maybe it's because in spite of all the work we do, it's the child in us we really value. Here we are, with our fins up and our feathers flashing. Here we are, with our coconut shell fries